Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the word bend, a B1 level verb that means to curve or change shape. Whether you're a language learner or just love exploring words, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, what does bend really mean? To bend is to change the shape of something by applying force, making it curve instead of remaining straight. For example, you might bend a piece of wire to create a hook, or you could bend your knees to sit down. It's all about creating a curve or changing the shape of something. Now, let's talk about some synonyms of bend. Words like curve, flex, and arc can be used in similar contexts. For example, she used her hands to curve the clay into a vase. Another sentence could be, the gymnast had to flex her body to perform the routine. And the rainbow formed a perfect arc across the sky. These words help convey the same idea of creating a curve or altering shape. On the other hand, let's explore some antonyms. Words like straighten, extend, and stiffen are the opposite of bend. For instance, he had to straighten the paperclip to unlock the door. Or, she worked hard to extend her leg fully during the dance move. And the cold air seemed to stiffen the fabric of her coat. These examples highlight the contrast between bend and its antonyms. How can we use bend in everyday life? Imagine you're gardening and you notice a plant has started to bend toward the sunlight. You might say, the flower is bending to get more sun. Or maybe you're giving someone yoga advice and tell them, make sure to bend forward slowly to avoid injury. Another example could be in traffic. Be careful on this road. There's a sharp bend ahead. These are all ways you might encounter or use the word bend in daily conversations. Here are a few more examples to help you get familiar with bend. I accidentally bent my sunglasses when I sat on them. The river bends sharply to the left at this point. She had to bend down to pick up the coin on the floor. These sentences show how versatile the word bend can be. That's all for today's episode on the word bend. I hope you enjoyed learning about its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us motivated to bring you more language tips. And here's your challenge for the day. Create your own sentence using the word bend and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.